Well, moving on to other news now, the shocking story of two sisters who were rescued yesterday from self-confinement in the Delhi suburb of Noida has now taken a tragic turn. The elder sister, Anuradha, who was critical, died this morning in hospital. Doctors say she died of dehydration and multiple organ failure. The two sisters had locked themselves in for 6 months and were starved and dehydrated. They were rescued after the police received a tip-off from neighbors and taken to hospital. The sisters lived on their own. Their parents had died several years ago.
The cause of death तो मेरे को अभी कुछ पता नहीं चला बिकॉज बात जो हुई उनको मेरे ख्याल से हार्ट फेलियर या जो भी वो धीरे धीरे सबसाइड हुआ। बस मॉर्निंग तक वो सही थी। मैं सारी रात यहीं था, आईसीयू के बाहर बैठा हुआ था और बार बार चेक कर रहा था। मॉर्निंग तक सही थी। मॉर्निंग में थोड़ा ब्लीडिंग हुआ माउथ से।
कई महीनों से सही से इन्होंने खाना पीना नहीं खाया था, जिसकी वजह से पेट में कभी कभी स्ट्रेस अल्सर्स बन जाते हैं और ओरल हाइजीन भी इनकी काफ़ी ज़्यादा पुअर थी। हमने इनको मेडिसिन शुरू करके आईसीयू में शिफ्ट किया था, लेकिन सभी प्रयत्नों के बावजूद भी हम इनको बचा नहीं सके। लगभग सुबह 8 बजे के आसपास इनकी डेथ हुई है। जब ये हमारे पास लाई गई थी, कंडीशन काफ़ी ख़राब थी, काफ़ी ज़्यादा मालनरिश थी और जो हमने इनका ट्रीटमेंट वगैरह सब कुछ शुरू किया था उस समय, लेकिन शी डाइड।
Right, an extremely shocking case, in fact, that has disturbed many in Delhi, and also NDTV's Siddharth sent us this report from outside the hospital.
The eldest of the Bahal sisters, Anuradha Bahal, who was a CA by profession, today succumbed to severe dehydration and multiple organ failure. The Bahal sisters, Anuradha and Sonali, were rescued from their house in Noida, Sector 29. Yesterday, after the neighbors raised hue and cry, the police barged into their house to rescue them. They had apparently locked themselves in their house for the past 6 months. After being rescued, the sisters were brought to Kailash Hospital in Noida, and the Anuradha, who succumbed to death today morning, was in a coma-like state yesterday, and both the sisters were suffering from severe fungal infection, internal bleeding, and also severe dehydration due to improper intake of food and water for months. The condition of both the sisters were critical. Sonali was comparatively better than her sister, but at the moment, Sonali is being treated and being monitored carefully. As soon as the news broke of the death of the elder sister, the neighbors and family members have started pouring in. Also, the brother who had separated from the sisters some months ago has come back to take care of the younger sister. The post-mortem of the eldest is supposed to happen in some time from now. With camera person Sanjay Kaushik, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.